Hello friends, welcome to Vedic Mathematics. In today's class, we are going to learn the multiplication of linear equations. So let us start. So here is the concept. So here in this question, we are going to multiply 2x plus 3y with 4x plus 5y. So we have to write it vertically, and then finally we will be using the vertically and crosswise pattern of multiplication. In the previous video, we already have learned, and the method is called as IXI method. So here the first two digit has to be multiplied, that is 5 3 ja 15y square, then 5 2 ja here 10, and 4 3 are 12. So 10 plus 12 become 22xy. And the last one is 2x into 4x become 4 2 is 8x square. So when we add all the three things, then the answer will be 8x square plus 22x square xy plus 15y square. And here this is the correct answer. So now we are going to understand some more questions along with some more examples. So here the two questions are already given, and now we are going to calculate it. So as we are going to follow the IXI multiplication technique, which is ultimately known as vertically and crosswise pattern. Now we are going to start. So first of all, these two digit has to be multiplied. So y into y become y square. 8 4 ja 32. Then finally crosswise pattern, that is x into x 8 x into 8y become 8xy, and 4 3 ja 12. Let me write x into 8y become 8x square, then 3x into 4y become 3 4 ja 12xy. So when we add both the thing, answer will come 20xy, and then addition symbol. Then the last one we are going to multiply, that is 3 into 1 become 3, and x into x become x square. So the correct answer is 3x square plus 20x square plus 32y square. So now we are going to understand with one more example. So we have to multiply both, that is 5 into y square, y into y become 5y square. Then afterward 8x into y become 8xy, then 4x into 5y become 20xy. So 20 plus 8 become 28xy. And then afterward we're going to multiply these two, that is x into x become x square, and 8 4 ja 32. So the answer is already visible, that is 32x square plus 28xy plus 5y square. So now we have done multiple number of the questions. It's a time to take a test from you all, and your time starts now. Please pause this video for the calculation and just wait for the answer. And your time is finished. Now we are moving forward to the next slide to see the answers. And the answer is already screened. Those who got 3 out of 3, outstanding. 2 out of 3, excellent. 1 marks, very good. And those who got 0 marks, they have to see this video once again and they have to calculate. Now again we are moving to concept map. So the multiplication of linear equation is all about the IXI vertically and crosswise technique only, what we already have learned in the 2 into 2 digit numbers and 3 into 3 digit vertically crosswise pattern of multiplication. Same method we have to follow and we have to calculate. So 5 3 ja 15y square, then 5 2 ja 10, and 4 3 ja 12 become 22xy. Finally, 4 2 is 8x square. So 8x square plus 22x square plus 15y square is the correct answer. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day.